ADA, we start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And if you refer to my last analysis when the price was exactly at here, I mentioned since we have a divergence, I discussed if we want to look for buy, we have to see the breakout of the 82 cent. Because I mentioned the continuation as a corrective following by divergence, we can look for the next drop, and even I pointed this correction. And this is what we get. No, what's the next? Okay. And at this point, we can look at this one as a correction. And for sure, we can look for buy. Okay. But how deep this one can be? This is the question. All right. And we should know that technically, if you want to refer to this one with the breakout of the 63, we can look for price even drop to the 58 cent if you want to look at this one as a running flat. But if the price broke the 58, then we can expect the price tag this low. And if the price tag this low, following by breakout, we can look for this one as expanding flat. Then at that time, so we can look for the deep correction. But at this point, as long as the price haven't break the 63, if even if the price broke the 63, we can look for 58. But as long as the price haven't break the 58, we can look at this one as a running flat, and any opportunity for buy from there will be a good idea. And in that case, we want to see the breakout of the 82 cent, and with the breakout of the 82, then we're looking for 92. All right, this is what we have been looking for. Anyway, we start with higher time frame. We want to see what we have been looking for. If we move to monthly chart, as we can see, we mentioned we want to see the breakout of the 92 cent following by 1.35 following. That means we wanted to see the breakout of this correction. And we mentioned with the breakout of this one, we can look for all-time high. Anyway, as we can see, the price couldn't even tag the 92 cent. All right. And if we move to weekly chart, similar explanation. But the question is, can we expect this one turn to a more complex correction? And before we get the reversal with the expectation for the all-time high, may we get this drop. Okay, mostly since the overall market is moving and the Bitcoin tag even break the all-time high, mostly we're looking for continuation. That's why we mentioned with the breakout of the 92, and this one we can confirm for continuation with expectation for the price tag all-time high. But at the same time, if the continuation has a corrective, we have to be quite careful about this possibility. Anyway, uh, based on lower time frame, as I mentioned, if we want to look for buy, we have to wait for the trade setup. And at this point, we can look at this one as a running flat, how deep this one can go. We can look for 58 cent. Okay, as long as the price haven't break the 58, then any reversal for buy from there, I'm interested. All right, but if the price broke the 58, then we can look for this low. Okay, and that time there will be update. And to make it very simple, any opportunity for buy from now, I will take it. I'm not really interested to look for sell at this point. And if we move to lower time frame, I don't see any trade setup. And if we move to 1 hour chart, if we get any flag here, we can look for buy with the stop loss to be either below this one or somewhere around 58 cent. Okay, at this point, as I mentioned, I'm looking for buy. All right, but if I get the flag, then I will consider whether I should take the trade or not. But at this point, simply we cannot take the trade, because if the price can reverse as a corrective, we can look for the next drop similar to what we had here. That means we can expect this one turn to continue and drop as a corrective, then before we see the reversal. If this one happen following by divergence, then any opportunity for buy as a reversal, we'll take it. If it move in our direction, we keep the trade, we move our stop loss to break even. If not, we should take with the trade, or at least move our stop loss to break even. If uh, there was no continuation and it start to drop, at least we are safe. Anyway, at this point, I'm looking at this one. I want to see if I get any opportunity for buy, I will take it. All right. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.